Steel Garage, and today what we're doing is we're going to cut all the steel for the two frames for the drift trikes. So I got the steel at a place local in Sparks, Nevada. It's called PDM Steel, and they're really cool people over there and good prices. They come in what I'm using is I'm using 1 1/4 inch square stock, 90 thickness. It's not 1/8 inch thick. I mean, it's lighter than that, but it's still pretty solid square tubing. I guess you could go with you could go to your local Home Depot or Lowe's and get that gas line that people are using and bend that and stuff. But I like the square tubing, and I wanted to use nice, good steel. You know what I'm saying? Not some gas tubing, and which I don't know if that's really that solid or not. It probably is, but I prefer to just go to a steel supply store or a supplier and get some good quality steel. So yeah, let's get this steel cut and set up. I hope the design that I chose is okay. Once you cut the metal, you could weld pieces together, but that's shoddy. I don't like doing it like that. So hopefully the design is going to work out good, and we'll see. Let's get to cutting. Okay, working with a new gimbal here for the iPhone 7 Plus, and it's a little hard to get used to. But so here's the frame basically cut. I got this idea from another guy on YouTube. I saw his frame. I'll put it down in the description. I just like the look of it, and it just seemed pretty solid to me. So basically the axle will go here and the engine will be in the back. The only issue with that is I'm using torque converters, so I'm gonna have to flip the torque converter to the opposite side to be able to chain it up to the sprocket. So, but we'll see. You know what I'm saying? Once I drop the axle in here and the sprocket goes down lower, I might be able to cheat it. I don't know, but we'll see. So, got the one frame, and then almost done with the second frame. I kept this section out in case I have to come back some. So that's basically the whole part of the design here, is trying to figure out how I want to do this. So I might come back and make this piece longer here for the bearing hangers. I don't know yet, but this one here is already cut to the way I wanted it. So we'll see. So I need to get it all tacked up. Let's do that.